took these photos of myself today for our brand to use on our social media accounts, and it took me literally 10 minutes. I'm gonna show you how you can take really modern, professional looking photos straight from your iPhone. You don't need somebody to take the picture for you. You can do it all yourself. It takes literally 10 minutes. First things first, we're gonna need to find a really well-lit area, like natural light, big window, and a blank wall behind you. If you look at my setup, you're gonna laugh, but I promise you it works. Look, I'm literally at my house. What I did was I moved my coffee table over here to this blank wall so I could have this behind me, and straight in front of me is a giant window, tons of sunlight. Prop your phone up and open up your camera app. On the top left-hand corner, you'll see something that looks like a ruler. When you tap that, that's your exposure. I want you to take it down to -1.3. Then you're gonna tap on that down arrow button at the top middle, and you're gonna scroll over till you see the stopwatch. This is your timer feature. You can set it to 3 or 10 seconds. Take as many photos as you can with lots of different poses. Once you feel like you got a few, open up your Canva app and use a template. I like to use the IG story template, and go ahead and upload your photos that you just took. Resize your image to take up the entire template. You can see here I've got a door handle and part of my couch showing, but I just expand it so that you can't see any of that, so it doesn't matter if you've got a little bit of something in the background. Once you've got it where you want it, go ahead and open up the filters for the photo and go to vintage. Under vintage, you're gonna select fade. Now you can totally leave it here if you want, but I go just one extra step and I go to transparency and I bring it down to about 75%. Okay, let's do it one more time just for good measure. You're gonna upload your photo into Canva and you're gonna resize it to whatever template that you're using. From there, you're gonna select filters and you're going to slide over to vintage and you're gonna choose fade. Now again, if you wanna do that extra step by bringing down the transparency, you can totally do this. I even like it whenever I have a really dark gray background behind it. It makes it pop even more. So you just bring that down to about 75%. Add some text or maybe even a pop of color and you've got some quick and easy social media posts ready to go.